Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can export to Excel in Wrike. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is when you're in Wrike, you just want to go to right top corner to the three dots here, and when you go here, click on Export and Excel. And now you have options to only filter tasks or all tasks, and click Export. And this is pretty much it how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you any. Goodbye.